guys. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, whatever time it might be. I'm Christopher, that's Jake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. What we have today to present to you is a 1972 Nova Yenko Tribute. This is an actual Nova SS, numbers matching engine, but they made it a Yenko Tribute. The gentleman who did this is named Roger, good guy. He traded for another car to make his wife happy because he's a smart man. Anywho, this is a beautiful car with a great color combination, silver and black. You must love it. Different wheels on it, really looks good though. Good black vinyl top, there are Yenko badging right here. Let's take a look at this trunk. Couple boxes, some speaker boxes, big spare. Look at the floors here, here's the floor mats. Gotta love that. Nice
Stickerage.
trunk. You gotta love stickerage.
Big trunk.
Big, well, come on. 72 Nova. Look at the beautiful lines. The metal flake in a paint, fantastic. Great paint job, really good paint job. Buckets, 4-speed. What's not to love, Jake? What is not to love? You ready to take this out for a spin?
I am.
Let's do it. Ready to do a drive, Jake?
I'm ready to do it.
I knew you would be.
Not the quietest car we've ever driven.
Oh, no, no, no. But you know what? It's really a nice car to drive.
We got all of our lovely gauges down here. Battery, temp, fuel, and oil. The Hurst shifter.
You gotta love a Hurst shifter.
Gotta love a Hurst shifter. Oh,
Nice.
It sounds good.
It does. It speaks for you. This car is nice.
Makes a good noise.
Makes all the great noises. Checks all the boxes.
And you got your fan controls here. It looks like a slightly updated head unit because it's got some purple lights in it.
It's purpley, purpley. I think it hooks up to your YouTubes or your
Nice
Bluetooth.
dashboard.
Perfect.
No cracks or anything.
That's what you gotta love. I love the paint job.
Massive cowl hood.
Well, you need to breathe, right?
That's always fun to look at.
It is.
And you got room for people back here.
Real people.
Good headliner. Really nice car.
It's a great cruising car, to be quite honest.
Does the horn work? Of course it does.
Sorry, sir. Sounds like it wants to punch you in the face, and it does.
So this is what, a 350?
350 4-barrel. Came with the car. Numbers matching and everything. Don't you have to love that? I think you do. It runs real nice. You know, I keep forgetting it's 35 down here. Let's slow it down.
It's really a straight line speed kind of car, isn't it?
Why not? It's a Nova. They're all straight liners.
Everything in here works.
Just nice. It's a nice surprise.
Yeah,
Listen to that rumble.
Nice when stuff works.
Oh yeah is right. It's a big oh yeah. There's a lot of good things about this car.
Puts a smile on your face, doesn't it?
It does. The noise alone, by itself. Beautiful day for a good old-fashioned startup.
Oh, I love a good old-fashioned startup.
Everybody does. Oh God, listen to this thing. Man, it makes some great noises. Jake, a real beaut. You must drive it home.
All right, sounds good.
Let's do it.